Hello and welcome. My name is Megan and this is your 45-minute Pilates burn class. For props, we're going to be using the Pilates ring and the chi ball. If you don't have these props, don't worry. You can always rock it out with just body weight. Now you can also see I have some ankle weights on, so if you want to add ankle weights for a little extra burn, go for it. All right, let's get this party started. I want you to take a moment to roll your shoulders down and back, open up your chest and breathe. Before any Pilates practice, it's so good to just take a moment to feel your body. Probably a little bit hunched forward, maybe you're feeling a little bit out of line. This is why I'm here for you. I'm here to help you to open your body up, to lengthen your body, to feel stronger inside of you. So let's set a positive intention together to build that Pilates body. We're gonna get started on the floor, so come on down. Relax your shoulders open as you come into 4-point position. Relax the palms into the mat. Feel the engagement of your core. We're gonna start by doing some deep core activation breathing. So I want you to exhale through the mouth and inhale through the nose. So I'm actually squeezing my navel right back towards my spine. As you're doing this, try to charge up the energy of your core. Whether we're focusing on booty, upper body, any part of the body, that the core should be engaged throughout your practice. Okay, walk your hands out, step your feet back, come into high plank position. Feel the breath flowing as you exhale, drive both the right and left knee. Breath is going to be the centerpiece of our movement. We're going to feel that nice open energy as we press the palms to the mat, feeling the drive from the lower abs. We'll come forward in 3 and 2 and 1. Relax. We're going to jump right down. Continuing with our breathing, grab your first prop, your chi ball. Place it between your thighs, roll your shoulders down and back, and lift your chest up. Start to squeeze your lower abs, reaching up and down. We draw up and back. So I can feel the base of my lower abs engaging. I can feel my midsection engaging and the top of my abdominals. As you reach forward, you exhale up. Here we go. Inhale, exhale up. Inhale, exhale up. Great work. You look great. I want you to focus on activating every inch of the front of your abdominals. Breathe with me. 3, 2, and 1, up. So I can feel my breath flowing through my lower back. I can feel my sacrum opening up against the mat. Take deep breaths with me. In 4, in 3, in 2, and 1. Pull your palms forward. Reach it back and up. Relax the base of the feet. Open up that breath. Exhale, lift and lower. In 4, in 3, in 2, and 1. All right, I want you to cruise onto your back. We're going to take the nice open breath as our tailbone reaches out. Crown of the head reaches forward. And I want you to put your fingertips right on your lower abdominals. Squeeze the lower abs. Exhale as you lift. In and low. And low. Now I can feel the breath moving through my spine. I can feel the activation of my lower abdominals, activation of my midsection, upper abdominals. So just feel the breath moving through your spine as you lift up. Inhale, exhale. Breath is the centerpiece of our Pilates practice. Breath helps to activate the core, which is going to give you better mobility as you move. And I will be the first person to tell you, breathing does not come naturally to me in my workouts. I find sometimes I'm feeling like I'm holding my breath. So this is your check-in. This is your opportunity to connect to you. Let's go in 3, 2, and 1. Hold here. Breathe. Start to tap the feet out. Ball is placed between the thighs. You can feel the activation of your lower abdominals, your feet tapping right and left, engaging your glutes, feeling the breath as you fire up. Let's go in 3, 2, and 1. Stay here, hold. Keep the back flat, reach the arms up nice and long. Imagine your fingertips lengthening to the ceiling. Exhale, up. It's down. Exhale, up. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Firing the breath into the nose, out through the mouth. In, out. In 4 deep breaths. In 3. In 2. In 1. Stay here. Hold on 1. Press your heels to the floor. Let's start to warm up the glutes. Press your palms down, coming into bridge. Walk your heels slightly out from your knees, and we'll find the music. Up and low. As you lift, I want you to squeeze the base of your bum. Press your heels to the mat, and contract your abdominals. As your palms lengthen out, relax your shoulders down and back, and just feel the breath moving to your body. Every inch of your glute is working here. Now, I love to use feeling to create activation. So I will literally say to you, take your fingertips here, try it. Put your fingertips at the base of your glutes and start to lift up. This is going to help you to feel activation in your body. And this is literally the centerpiece of your Pilates practice. I want you to feel the glutes up and low. So we're doing breath and activation. Throughout your class, breathe and feel. 4. In 3. Let's go in 2. Hold here on 1 and start to pulse squeeze in. Up. Up. Remove your fingertips now. And you can feel the activation of your exterior glutes. Squeeze the ball. Up. Up. Great. I can feel my lower abdominals, my interior thighs, and my glutes all working as a team. This is what we want. We want that pelvic floor to feel supported and stable. Exhale as you lift. Pulsing is an element of Pilates. It's going to bring you to the point of fatigue. We're targeting our stabilizer muscles. So if you start to shake, this is a good thing. We'll stay here and we'll hold. Breathe. Relax the tailbone down. Now I want you to walk the balls of the feet directly underneath your knees in line. You're going to lift your pelvis up. Squeeze your lower abs. Drop your hips down 1 inch. Down. Squeeze up 1 inch. Yes. Start to activate your lower core muscles. The base of your glutes here is lifting and lowering. As you breathe, feel the energy flowing through your spine. In 5, 4, 3, 2, lift up on 1, a pulse and squeeze. Relax. Let the breath flow through the tailbone. Breathe into your lower abdominals. Relax your face, relax your jaw. Imagine you've got this line running from the crown of your head to your tailbone. And you do. It's your spine. So your spine is the centerpiece of your body. Pilates. Breathing, feeling, aligning. Take it up with me. Exhale, lift. Inhale, lower. Keep the breath moving to your spine. Let's go in 4. Deep breaths in 3. In 2. And 1. Relax your tailbone to the mat. We're going to lift your feet back off the floor, coming back to our abdominals. Take your fingertips, interlace them behind your head. Open your elbows up. Relax the tailbone. It's down. Exhale. Up. Here we go. Down. Crunch. Breathe with me. Down. Crunch. Breathe. We'll go in 4. In 3. In 2. In 1. Dropping down. It's crunch together. Try to bring the elbows nice and wide. Support your neck. Try not to pull on it. Keep breathing. In 5. In 4. In 3. In 2. In 1. Stay here. Hold. Brace the legs up. Start to squeeze your interior thighs. So we're going to start to activate our adductor muscles and our exterior glutes. I want you to feel the sideline, feel the breath flowing through your body. Squeeze that ball as firmly as you can. Get the adductors really firing up. We're going to prep in for our first series with the ring. Let's go in 3, 2, and 1. Drop the knees down. Start to feel the breath and we will remove the ball. Grab your Pilates ring. Drawing the ring in between your interior thighs. There's a couple ways that you can do this. place the ring here, lift up, and draw in. Option, you can move onto your back and then rotate up, keeping the ring between the thighs. Now, I love the Pilates ring. I want you to bring your heels out in line with your knees, coming into a nice open clamshell. Now you can see I'm bracing my hand on the ring, but if you feel comfortable, if you feel like you've got this on lock, you're gonna take that hand behind the head. Squeeze down, lift up. Clamshells target into your thighs, axe to your glutes, and of course your core. So as you're working, I want you to fire the side of your body. Here, don't get lazy. I literally want you to take your hand, lift up, and squeeze the side. So now I'm activating my core. I'm feeling my interior thighs. I'm feeling the top of my glutes. Now, if you feel comfortable with this, you want a little bit more spice, I want you to lift up and hold. Lift, yes. Start to pulse here. If you're not feeling this, if this isn't for your shoulder, then I want you to keep your hips on the mat. Also, make sure your shoulder is directly in line with your elbow. Palm is pressing into the mat. This way you get activation through the side, the interior thighs, the glutes, and the core. Keep breathing with me. In 4. Let's go in 3. Let's go in 2. And 1. Well done. Woo! Okay, take a moment to breathe. We're going to lift up nice and tall, and you're going to place the ring in between the ankles. It's just above the ankles, and we're going to lengthen all the way out to our side. Drop it down, in and out. With the ring between the legs, you can feel the activation of your inner adductor muscles, axe to your glutes. Put your palm right into the mat. Start to pulse it down with me. We go down, down, squeeze. Feel that nice open breath in your body. Inhale, exhale, breathe. In 4. Let's go in 3. Deep breaths in 2. And 1. Stay here, hold. From here, you might lift your head slightly up. We're going to take the bottom leg to the top leg. So that internal thigh squeeze. You lift, you lower. Exhale up and low. Keep breathing with me. You look amazing. Drop up and low. Feel the lower abs engage into your thighs, axe to your glutes. Palm pressing into the mat for engagement. In 5, in 4, in 3, in 2. Let's get that pulse. Lifting up, we pulse up towards the top leg. Squeeze the interior thighs. Engage through the core. Draw your navel back towards your spine. And don't forget to breathe. We're going to survive this one together. 3, 2, 1. Yes, relax. Take a moment to shift the opposite side. As you draw in, remember there's 2 ways to mount. You can either place the ring on the interior thighs, draw onto your back, place the ring, and then roll up. Once you're up and running, make sure your heels are in line with your hips. Lift your chest up, place your elbow directly below your shoulder. Lift the top arm and breathe. Draw in and out. Try to draw your feet out closer to your knees so you can really feel the exterior of your glutes. Almost think of a little L shape in the body. Squeeze, draw up. Here we go. Squeeze and lift. Squeeze and lift. Good. Now, if you want a little harder version, you're going to lift up, bringing your body off of the mat. We'll come to pulse in 3, in 2, and 1. Let's pulse it. Squeeze into your thighs, activate your glutes, squeeze your sideline. Feel your breath flowing through your body. 10 more seconds. In 10, in 9, in 8, in 7. Keep breathing with me. Woo. Hold it here. In 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. Smashing it. We're going to take the ring, place it between the interior thighs, and you're going to chill all the way out on the mat. Now, somebody walks in the room. They're probably thinking you're having a little nap here, but you are putting in the work. So relax your head down. We're going to take the top leg down towards the base leg. Interior thighs activate, exterior glutes activate, and you can feel that nice open breath moving through your body. Relax your head onto your bicep. Reach the crown of your head long, your tailbone long. Stay here in 5, in 4, in 3, In 2, we start to pulse, drawing down to your base leg. Take a few deep breaths with me. Inhale, exhale. Find that nice open energy as you draw into the ring in 4, in 3, in 2, and 1. Stay here, hold, lift up, lift and low. We've got our base leg drawing off of the mat, reaching towards your top leg. Again, adductor muscles, axe to your glutes are your target on this one. Inhale up and exhale low. Keep breathing. Relax the shoulders down and back, lift up through your chest. Find that fire in your interior thighs, axe to your glutes. And of course, focus on bringing the core into engagement. We'll stay here, breathe. Deep breaths in 5, in 4, 3, 2, hold on 1, pulse it with me. Lift the head up ever so slightly off of your bicep. You're gonna feel a nice alignment in your spine. Woo! Pilates has definitely enhanced my ability to move because we're targeting muscle groups you don't get in other classes. These are your stabilizers, and they're only going to make you stronger. In 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, and 1. Yes. All right, flip onto your back. Relax and bring the ring right between the thighs. Last set here, we're going to segue into some more glute work, working the glutes and the interior thighs. Now, you did a warm-up with your bridge. Now we've got a lot more happening, so take the palms to the side. Relax the crown of the head long. Push your heels just beyond your knees. Lift up and down. Squeeze. The Pilates ring is creating resistance on the interior thighs, axe to your glutes, and we're squeezing the abdominals as we lift. Up and low. Exhale, contract, drop back. Let's go in 4, in 3, in 2, pulse up on 1, lift up, squeeze, squeeze, breathe. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, stay here, hold. Lift up even higher, pulse in, pulse in. Relax the crown of the head, reaching this length, tailbone reaching opposite direction. In 4, in 3, and 2, take it down, take it up. It's down, up, squeeze in. We've got the glutes, interior thighs. Here we go in 4. Deep breaths in 3. Let's go in 2. And 1. Stay here, hold. I want you to bring your toes parallel to your knees. Walk slightly up with the pelvis and lift. You might go back to that activation. You put your fingertips right on the base of the booty, and you can feel once you've got the ring, you've got that extra resistance. It's going to create more fire than the ball did, so really feel it. Let's go in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, and 1, and breathe. Woo! That's spicy. Take a breath. I want you to externally rotate your toes away from your heels. We're going to lift back up, holding here. Relax the pelvis open. Take a deep breath. Drop down. Squeeze. You can feel the base of your glutes starting to fire, starting to take over. Deep breaths in 4. Let's go in 3. Squeeze. 2. Base of the glutes. And 1. Target zone is here. A little pulse up. Squeeze. Really focusing on the glutes here. Relax the energy through your spine. Deep breaths in 4. In 3. In 2. In 1. Beautiful. Okay, you're going to draw those toes in. Draw the hips back. Come back up to the balls of the feet. Lift up tall. Draw down. Lift up. Now you can feel the base of your glutes. Try to have your shin right in line with your knees. You might be slightly out, but you want to feel that activation, and adjustments are the key to Pilates. So don't try to make it perfect the first time. Feel it. If it doesn't feel like you're hitting your target zone, adjust it. Literally, an inch can mean a game changer in Pilates. And 4. Let's go in 3. Let's go in 2. Hold here on 1. Pulse it up. Woo! Start to really feel that burn. Activation into your thighs, axe to your glutes. In 4. Deep breaths in 3. Let's go in 2. Let's go in 1 and time. Relax the tailbone down. Take the ring, place it around your knees. Take a moment to let your back open up. Feel that nice open energy through your whole body into 3, and 2, and 1. All right, we're gonna lose the ring, rolling forward. We're gonna come up to standing position. Excellent work so far. Take a breath. Feel how your glutes are activating under your back. Now we're gonna take a little challenge here. For this standing glute series, we're gonna keep the ball in the pit of one of your knees. I want you to take your hands to the side, lift up nice and tall. Now hinge forward, bend at the knee, and start to pulse. Relax the shoulder blades down and back, reach your palms out. We're focusing on building our stabilizer on this leg and building our booty on the active leg. Working our stability in 4, in 3, and 2. Walk it forward. We take it out, in. Try to squeeze into your interior thigh. Activate your exterior glutes. Breathe with me in 5, in 4, in 3, and 2. Pulse out on 1. It's squeeze, squeeze. Bend your stabilizer leg a little bit deeper. Your goal is to not let the ball fall. So try to squeeze as firm as you can into the ball. In 3, and 2, and 1. Now hinging forward. Drop your palms to your mats. Press your palms either down or on your fingertips. Lift up. Squeeze the ball. Pilates Burn has a little bit extra spice, and that's going to mean movements that are going to challenge you outside of your modality that you're normally used to. Stabilization, balance. Hold here in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, and 1. Gently release the ball. Now take your legs and shake it out. I know it's a lot. We're going to go to the opposite side right away. If you need, take a deep breath. Join me when you're ready. Hands on your side. Straight position, softly bend the knee, hinge forward, hold. Start to pulse it out. Let's reach the palms back, chest up, core tight. Bend deeper in your stabilizer leg. We are looking at activation to the base of the glutes, feeling it on both sides. Chest is up. We are rocking it. Keep breathing. In 4, in 3, in 2. Hold on 1, lift up tall. It's side, lift. As I lift, I'm working through the side of my glutes. I can feel that activation. Pulling on a slight diagonal back. Feeling an openness through my hips. And let's bend that stabilizer leg a little bit deeper. Chest up, core tight. Deep breaths in 4. In 3. In 2. Hold here on 1. Pulse it back. Let's go. Up. Breathe. Really feeling a burn through your stabilizer leg. Working into your active leg. In 5. In 4. In 3. In 2. And 1. Pull it in. Draw forward with your head. Drift it down. Start to pulse up. Squeeze. 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 You can see I'm firmly pulling the ball back and in. Relax your head down. Feel the breath. Woo. Stay here with it. You got it. In 4. In 3. In 2. In 1. And time. Yes. Release the ball. Take a deep breath. Shake it out a little bit. Let's come into a nice wide stance. Sumo squats. Palms pressing in. It's down. It's up. So my toes are turning out to the side. I'm feeling activation through interior thigh here, exterior glutes. Nice and wide. In 4, in 3, 2, stay down, pulse, breathe. Let the energy flow to the base of your glutes. Inhale, exhale, breathe with me. Good. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. In 4, in 3, in 2. I want you to turn this into a lunge position. You choose which leg is back. Hold here, press your back heel. Squeeze the base of the glute. Keep putting pressure into the ball. This is going to help to activate your core. In 3, 2, and 1. Double time. Pause. Squeeze. Squeeze. Good. 4, 3, 2, 1. Now extending forward. Reach the ball long. Stay here and breathe. Stay in the front quad muscle and burn it out. Inhale, exhale. We're going to start to exchange the ball, reaching forward and back. Breathe. Breathe. In 4, 3, 2. Try it double time. Reach and pull. Good. Reach and pull. Good job. Reach and pull. Reach and pull. Deep breaths. In 4, 3, 2, and 1. Stay here, hold. Lift the chest up, bring the ball behind you, extend your arms. Lift up nice and tall, breathe. Feel that nice open energy, start to pulse it down. Reach the ball above the head. Pull down, up. Creating core contraction, top abs pulling in. Let's go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes. All right. We're going to rock it off to the opposite side. Let's open it here. Take a nice deep breath. Bring the ball, palms here. Drop back, back, and up. Good. Squeeze. Working with props is not always easy. So if you find there's points where the props are going a little crazy for you, I mean, I just had to chase my ball. It happens. The ball will drop. Whatever it is that you're going through, any challenge that you're facing here, embrace it. Let's go. Squeeze it. Feel that booty popping. Let's go in. 4 more. Breathe. 3, in 2, and 1. Now reach down. Extend forward. Extend your palms out. Get into the front burn. Stay here, breathe. We'll reach back nice and slow. Back, 2, 3, 4, and up. Breathe. Lift. We'll come into double time in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Find it with me. Reach and pull. Good work. Find that nice open energy. Here we go in 4, in 3, in 2, and 1. Stay here, hold, draw up. Start to pulse it down. Squeeze as you breathe. Inhale and exhale. Contract your top abdominals to your midsection. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Beautiful work. We're going to come into some upper body work. I want you to take the ball, place it between your thighs, and you're going to grab your Pilates ring. Reach the palms forward, extend them out nice and long. Feel the breath. I'm going to turn to the side so you can see. So we're going to work on engagement through your back. Let's add a little challenge. I want you to hinge forward and bring your heels off of the mat. So when I'm pulling back with the ring, I'm engaging into my posterior chain. These are really good exercises to open up your posture. So breathe as you drop back and relax the shoulder blades down and back. In 4, breathe, squeeze. 3, in 2, and 1. Beautiful. From here, reach down, lift. We're sculpting and toning the back. Feel the breath flowing. In 4, breathe. 3, in 2, hold here, extend it out, crown of head forward. Breathe. Start to press into the ring as much as you can. Inhale, exhale. In 4, drop the heels down. In 3, come into a squat. In 2, we start to lift and lower. It's up an inch, down. As I press into the ring, my fingertips are nice and long. And again, I can feel the activation of my back. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop it here. It's bicep curl and up. Squeeze and up. Try to stay in your squat. In 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. Stay here, draw down. Lengthen your vertebrae. Relax your crown of your head and reach. Reaching side and up. Working into the top of your back. lengthening into your core. Stay here and hold, pulse, squeeze. Squeeze in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Drop it down, other side. Lift, low. 4, 3, 2, pulse on 1, reach up, squeeze. In 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Lift up tall, come up all the way. Now I want you to slowly pull the ring back behind your head. You're gonna lean right and left. Working into your sideline, working into your arms. Stay here, hold in 4, breathe. In 3, try to stay on your toes. In 2, hold here on 1, reaching up. It's lift and low, good. Extend and low, deep breaths. Extend and low. In 4, in 3, in 2, hold here on 1. You can see me from the side. I'm gonna drop back 1 inch. This is gonna fire the wings of my back. It's prepping us for some work that we're gonna do in prone position on the mat. Engagement here. In 4, breathe. 3, in 2, in 1, and time. Yes! Awesome work. We're gonna take the ball, place it onto your weight so it doesn't roll away. You can let the ring go. Come on down to your mat and extend your arms fully. Feel how long your body feels right now. This is like, I love Pilates, this feeling. You're gonna reach your arms back, lift up in prone position, and start to rotate the elbows inward with your palms reaching out. Now continue to breathe as you draw forward and lift. Draw forward. Exhale, lift. Inhale. Exhale. You're grounding the front of your hips into the mat, feeling the length in your body. In 4, in 3, in 2. Stay here on 1, pulsing up 1 inch. Feel the power of your posterior chain. Now extend your arms back. Imagine you had wings and you're ready to fly. Let's go in 4, 3, and 2. Now you're gonna turn it a thumbs down. Bring your feet right together. Squeeze your interior thighs together. We're gonna lift and lower. Take it nice and slow. Try to activate the midsection of your back as you crunch up, drop back down. Breathe with me. Up and low. Feel that nice open energy in your back. Stay here in 4, in 3. Let's go in 2. Hold here on 1, lift up, pulse it back. Squeeze, squeeze. Both the legs and the arms are lifting up 1 inch. You're working the posterior chain in 4. Deep breaths in 3, in 2, and 1. Take a chill pill. Woo! We're gonna shift that pelvis side to side. Take a moment to breathe. I know the back work can be really challenging. So as you extend your palms out, you bring your feet about hip width apart. Bring your chin towards your chest. We're gonna start to lift the right arm, left leg, left arm, right leg. So opposite arm and leg. And I want you to keep your pelvis grounded into the mat. You can squeeze your abdominals and activate your back. So allow the midsection of your back to really be the source of movement here. So my arms and my legs are a result of the work in my back. In 3, in 2, and 1. Stay here. Start to pulse it up. You can feel like there's a string on your fingertip and your toe. In 3, 2, and 1. Other side. Lift, 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 lift. Let's go in 4, in 3, in 2. Beautiful. From here, reach both hands forward, both legs back. Pilates swim, opposite arm, opposite leg. Try to lift up taller for me. Yes. Feel the breath flowing as you reach. Crown of head forward, tailbone back. Everything is moving from the midsection. Fingertips and toes. In 5, in 4, in 3, in 2. Stay here, hold, jaw back. Back and up. This is your challenge right here. Legs off the mat. You started with this exercise. Feel how much stronger, how much longer you are. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stay here, hold. It's a down, lift, down, lift. Option to reach full range. Down, lift. Let's go in 4. Breathe. In 3. In 2. In 1. Stay here. Palms to the mat. Lift up tall as you shift your hips back. Breathe into your spine. Feel the nice open energy. And now gently draw forward, coming back to your 4-point position. Let's get back into your breathing. Pulling your navel in. Last one. Great. All right, we're going to come down to plank position. Palms are apart. This is your forearm plank. Step your feet back. We've got a whole plank series here, activating the entire core. Stay with me in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2. Draw your feet together. Start to shift side to side. Intercostal muscles are engaging here. You can feel all of the breath moving through your spine. Inhale, exhale, breathe. In 4, in 3, in 2, and 1. Stay here, hold. Draw the forearm in, reach up to the side. Take a nice deep breath here and just really feel that nice open energy in your body. Inhale and exhale. Deep breaths in 4. In 3, we reach through, hold it here, pulse and squeeze. Working into your sideline, feeling your obliques, breathe. Let's go in 4. Deep breaths in 3, in 2, and 1. Yes. All right, we're going to roll to the other side. I'm going to meet you here. I'll have you rotate through. Try to stay up. Remember, you can always bring your knee down to modify. You do not have to hold that full side plank. Option to bring your knee down to the mat. Yes, stay here, hold. Pulse it in, squeeze. Palm pressing into the mat. Elbow directly below your shoulder. Squeeze through your obliques. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. Yes. Relax. Take a moment to breathe. Feel all the space that you've created in your body. We're going to get back into some glute work. Grab your ball. Come back onto the mat in 4-point position. Extend the leg out. Let's come up. Now, this last set is going to challenge your core and your glutes. Option 1, shin on the floor, out to the side. Option 2, palms forward, pike the hips up and squeeze. Same drill, reaching out. Stay here in 4, breathe. 3, in 2, hold here on 1, start to pulse up, squeeze. Palms pressing into the mat. You got that nice open energy. Here we go. Up and low. Deep breaths. In 4. In 3. In 2. Option to modify. You bring the shin towards the mat. Start to squeeze forward. Option, you're here. Pike position. Drawing down. Down. Activate the lower abs. Squeeze. 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 Now, if you're on the mat, join me in pike position. Lean forward, holding the ball into the knee. Tap the knee down and up. Tap, squeeze. Tap, squeeze. Tap, squeeze. Tap, squeeze. Let's go in 4. Breathe. 3, 2, 1. Stay here. Hold. Rise up. Walk your hands slightly back. Option to come to your mat. Lift up and modify here. Squeezing your abdominals, firming up and activating your booty. Option to lift. 4. 3 deep breaths. 2 and 1. Stay here. Press up. Pulse it. Again, the challenge comes in whatever you want for your body. If you are down on your shin, that is absolutely fine. Work that booty. 5. Squeeze it. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. Woo! All right, we're gonna head to the other side. Absolutely rock that. So again, remember you can modify by taking the shin to the mat. In 3, 2, 1. Option 1, we're here. 4-point position, slight diagonal on your fire hydrant. Option 2, pike it up, squeeze. Jaw out, in, crown of head down, working into your sideline. Relax the energy open. 5, 4, 3, 2, hold on 1. Start to pulse out, squeeze. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Stay here, hold it in 4, 3, 2, and 1. Option, shin to the mat, crunch it forward. Option, stay in pike position. Squeeze. Firm the knee up towards your navel. Stay here, hold in 4. Breathe. 3, 2, 1, and time. Option, press straight up, come into your flexed heel. If you need to bring it to the mat, you're here, 4-point position. Let's bring it down, bring it up. We'll start it in that nice open energy. Here we go. Down, press, down, press. In 4, 3, 2, hold here on 1. Okay, it's all me and you to finish. Whether your shin is on the mat or you've decided to stay up and take this challenge, you're so close. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pull the knee forward. If you are on the mat, try to come up and join me in pike position. Final squeeze. In 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. Breathe. Relax and open up your body, pressing your heels to the mat, reaching the ball forward into a stretch. Take a nice deep breath. Inhale. Exhale. Amazing work. You have arrived to your stretch, and I want to take you through a series that I absolutely love with the ball. So we're going to come onto the mat, and I'll get you to place the ball right at the base of your lower back. So right on the sacrum, just above your tailbone, and in the pocket of your lower back. Start to draw forward and back, feeling a nice open spine. And just breathe as you feel the length in your vertebrae. Let's try opposite. You're gonna just shift right and left, opening up the energy of your lower back and feeling that nice breath. Into 3, 2, 1. Good. Lifting your knees up. Relax your shoulders down and back. Create space as you lift your leg up and lengthen the back open. So just feel that nice open energy. And if you find this a bit challenging, just bend your knees, do the same thing. Option here, you can open the knees out. Maybe you take your hands to feel more stable. Option to extend the legs out and breathe into your back. Stay here, breathe. In 4, 3, 2. Draw the knees in. Relax your heels towards the mat. We'll lift off the ball. And you can gently set your ball to the side, bringing your hands onto your knees. Rotate in a soft circle. Let's go the opposite direction. Nice open energy. And now gently take one leg out and cross your opposite hand as you reach over. And as you're here, I just want you to feel that nice breath as your back expands open and you look towards your palm. Feel the length in your body as you're stretching, the expansion, just laying on your mat and even just feeling connected to your own spine. These are just some of the benefits of Pilates. Take one more deep breath. Your opposite leg is across now. Just make sure you're allowing space into your fingertips, feeling a nice open breath. And now gently draw your knees towards your chest and roll all the way up to standing. Take a moment to breathe. We began our journey in a standing position, and I asked you just to connect, to feel. How much easier is that for you in this moment? This is the beauty of Pilates. It's a mind and body journey, and I'm so grateful I was able to take it with you. My name is Megan, and I cannot wait to take another opportunity to get into your Pilates burn. So until then, let's stay strong together. Stay tuned in, and I promise you, we will tone up.